The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Pawnee County in northeastern Oklahoma, western Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 9:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Munford, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Munford, Sperry, Creek State Park, Sand Springs, Skiatook, Westport, Keystone State Park, Turley, Walnut Gray. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size 1.00 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.